Nowadays, full screen has been a trend. We can see many offerings in the market. Most popular, the notch screen, which provides better user experience. At OPPO, we not only want to build a powerful and full-screen phone, but a truly beautiful one. OPPO believes a smartphone is not just a communication tool, but a piece of art. The Find series was very popular when it launched. After 4 years, the Find series is finally back. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I am honored to introduce a new addition to the Find series, a phone that will once again redefine its era, the flagship Find X. This is the Find X. The natural design shows no redundant element in the body. It is truly a piece of art. So there's no better place than the Louvre to present it. Being an object, it is not inanimate. Its beauty gives an artwork life and vitality. Find X is inspired by the sense of aesthetics, the elegance and uniqueness of its artwork, with the beauty of serene vitality. Now, I would like to show you the design of the Find X. First, the Find X uses 3D glass on both the front and back, with reflections on the curve making the body shadow gentler. The jade-like front and back glass fuses smoothly to the metal middle bezel. Moreover, the Find X has a panoramic design incorporating the beauty of nature with unparalleled smooth handling, pure beauty of perfection. The Find X will have 2 gradient color combinations, Bordeaux red and Glacier blue. In alignment with the 3D shape of the body, you can see gradients at all 4 sides, allowing the color to flow like water and shine like crystal gem. To accomplish this moving gradient effect, the advanced 3D streaming layer technique was used. Its composite structure with color overlaying superior texture and coating enables the body color to deliver a moving, deeper visual experience. Let's move on to the front of the smartphone. The moment the screen lights up, we see the front face of the Find X. It is almost all screen. There's no notch, no cutout, all screen. This is panoramic arc screen. So you may be sitting there and wondering, how do we achieve this? It's because of the flexible display. It makes the content come alive on the screen. Besides the design, it can fit well into your hand, and you're more than welcome to experience it later this evening. Then, we have reduced each edge at 4 sides of the screen as much as possible, It's not hard to shrink the edges on the top and the sides. The hardest part is to reduce the bottom edge. Due to the smartphone screen structure, screen controllers need space. This is why most phones have a wider bottom edge. To address this challenge, we use COP flexible screen packing technology in the Find X, and finally reduce that black edge to 3.4 millimeters. The visual screen ratio of the Find X reaches 93.8%. At a glance, you will see near edge-to-edge content on the screen. This is an experience that a panoramic arc screen offers. After learning so many exciting features of the Find X, you may find there's no notch in the assembly. So you may ask, without a notch, how do I take photos? Or how do I unlock the device? OPPO believes in the power of beautiful design, and that technology should only appear as a function. And the fact is, while taking photos is important, it only accounts for a small proportion of daily phone usage time of the average consumer. So, our solution is this. Take a look at the screen behind me. Stealth 3D camera. The Find X uses a sliding structure that completely disguises the camera within the phone. When not in use, the cameras are hidden, providing a sleek and uniform exterior. When activated, the camera pops up, much like the Find X is blinking its eye at you. This pop-up solution maintains the simple elegance of the phone. Let's have a look at this process again. Interesting, isn't it? Okay, another question is, how do I unlock the device? In Find X, facial recognition is considered an easier and safer way to unlock the device. We call it O-Face. Let me show you the Find X unlocking process. You pick up the phone, the screen lights up automatically, the camera pops up, while using the 3D face recognition to unlock. Well, as you can see, if you blink, you'll miss it, as it pops up so fast. Let's look at this process again. You pick up the phone, the screen lights up, the phone unlocks. That's it. This is how it works. Let's take a closer look at the phone. The Stealth 3D camera has a 3D structured light module with many high-tech components in it. Flood illuminators, infrared cameras, ranging sensors, dot projectors, receivers, and front camera. The flood illuminator and IR camera recognizes you even in low light conditions. You can even use this phone at night. And we project 15,000 facial dots for the facing detecting, completing a detailed and complete 3D model of the user's face. And then we compare it with the phone owner's face to unlock the device. All facial data is encrypted in TEE, Trusted Execution Environment, which is an independent and safe environment. Your personal data is in good hands. The 3D face recognition of O-Face has a high level of security than fingerprint identification. The failure rate of fingerprint identification is 1 in 50,000. The failure rate of O-Face recognition is 1 in a million. Emojis. Now you can capture any emotion, such as puffed up cheeks, pouts, and any other emotions that are unique to yourself. You can choose any interesting image to make into an emoji. They can be exported into a photo album, so you can use them on chat apps and chat with your friends using your own emojis. After talking about the front camera, let's look at the rear camera. AI-enhanced dual camera with 16 megapixel and 20 megapixel optical image stabilization. This can surely make the Find X your carry-on camera. Now let's look at some photos. Since OIS has optical anti-vibration, dark lights will be brighter and photo-taking performance will be more stable. As you can see from the screen behind me, this picture always stays bright, no matter if it's day or night. The cooperation of the 16 and 20 megapixel camera presents clearer details in the picture with better color, and it captures high dynamic range images. The camera plays an important part in shooting high-quality photos, and with the assistance of AI scene recognition, it can intelligently identify the scenes and objects and optimize the image effects. It supports 21 scenario photo taking. When it identifies a sunset or sunrise, the camera will change the color temperature automatically. And if it's a snowscape, then it will optimize the exposure logic. And for all you foodies out there, when it comes to food, it will make the colors more tasty. In this way, it glorifies the pictures you have taken. AI scene recognition makes the Find X able to take good pictures in different environments and services. Lastly, battery life. The Find X comes with OPPO's long-time killer feature, VOOC Flash Charge. More than 90 million smartphones of OPPO have this technology equipped in it. VOOC Flash Charge leads innovation of smartphone quick charge technology. With a 5-minute charge, it gives you 2 hours of talk time. You can play games while charging with custom-made wires and adapters, whose chips can guarantee safe currency. The phone will not heat up. VOOC Flash Charge is fast, but safe. Besides, Find X comes with a 3,730 milliamp battery. The intelligence power management plus VOOC Flash Charge makes the Find X battery life 2 words: highly reliable. Okay, that's all for the Find X. Lastly, we invite you to enjoy the Find X commercial together with us. We would really like to have a Lamborghini here inside, but I can't have one, so it's waiting outside for me. Now, I would like to introduce you to the Find X Lamborghini Special Edition. We have collaborated with Lamborghini in design, giving the device more powerful and unique characters. Both OPPO and Lamborghini strive for perfect combination of industrial design and art. Carbon fiber is used in sports cars. In this edition, we bring textured look under the glass cover of the phone body. The high-quality dark cover perfectly combines profound power and gem textures, highlighting its inner energy and the attractiveness. We have also engraved the Lamborghini logo onto the body and created a 3-dimensional effect around it using special processing technology. No matter from what angle you look at the phone, the logo will rise from the body. We have brand new Flash Charge cannot stay put like this. Therefore, in the special edition, the phone is equipped with Super VOOC Flash Charge. This is the fastest charging technology we have ever created. Find X Lamborghini bi-cell battery has roughly 3,400 milliamp capacity. Common 5-volt 1 amp charging specification needs at least 220 minutes to get fully charged, and a 5-volt 2 amp needs approximately 135 minutes. Our VOOC fast charge only needs 90 minutes, which is already very fast. While the Super VOOC, equipped with the 10-volt 5 amp charging specification, has a maximum charge voltage of 50 watts. Only our Lamborghini edition can be fully charged in 35 minutes. We at OPPO are bringing Lamborghini speed to the Find X. Super VOOC Charge is the Lamborghini in the field of quick charging. This special edition is the starting point of OPPO and Lamborghini's partnership.
Now let's review our flagship product, Find X, quickly again. OPPO Find X is the future flagship smartphone with unifying design, including panoramic arc screen, gradient glass design, stealth 3D camera, all-face recognition, 25 megapixel from the camera, AI-enhanced dual camera, ColorOS 5.1 system, Snapdragon 845, 8 GB RAM, and 256 GB ROM. So, you will ask, what's the price for such an amazing product? Okay, I can announce. Okay, finally, the Find X with 256 GB ROM and the Vogue Flagship Edition is €999, and it will be available in this August. Country-specific price and the configuration may vary, and the price for Lamborghini Special Edition is €1,699. Ladies and gentlemen, our launch event is coming to the end. Please do visit our experience zone for a first-hand experience of our amazing Find X. Thank you and enjoy.
Ladies and gentlemen, now please step into the product area.
女士们、先生们，现在请大家移步至产品体验区。